morning to all of you. This is Mr. Shivam Dhiman, your English teacher. This video is for class 8 and today's topic is sentences simple, complex and compound. First, we will understand what the term sentences mean. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate that gives an appropriate meaning or with complete meaning. If we take example of a sentence, Ram lives in London. Ram lives in London is a simple sentence, and here Ram is a subject and lives in London is a predicate. So we know that, or we can say that the words Ram lives in London gives a suitable meaning or a complete meaning which shows that a person is living in a place. सेंटेंसेस को हम अगर समझें तो सेंटेंसेस हमारे वाक्य हैं और वाक्य जब शब्दों से जुड़ के बनता है तो वो पूर्ण अर्थ देने वाला होना चाहिए, जिसका अर्थ आपको आसानी से समझ में आए। और वाक्य के दो भाग होते हैं, जैसे उद्देश्य और विधेय, जिसे हम इंग्लिश में सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं। वी कैन फॉर्म सेंटेंसेस इन मैनी वेज। हम सेंटेंसेस को कई तरह से बना सकते हैं। सो these determine the different kinds like simple sentences, compound sentences and complex sentences according to their formation. Simple sentences are those sentences with one subject and one finite verb. Simple sentence is a sentence with one subject and one finite verb only. तो सिंपल सेंटेंस वो सेंटेंस है जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट होगा और एक फाइनाइट वर्ब होगी। वो वर्ब जो टेंस या सब्जेक्ट के नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाती है। लाइक राम वॉन द फर्स्ट प्राइज इन द हर्डल रेस। हियर राम वॉन द फर्स्ट प्राइज इन द हर्डल रेस contains Ram as the subject and won as a finite verb, because won is a verb which can be changed as per the number of subject if we use in various type of tenses or according to the number of people. If actually the sentence is in simple past, Ram won the first prize in the hurdle race. If we convert it into simple present, then it would be like this: Ram wins the first prize in the hurdle race. Or in the simple future, it can be like this: Ram will win the first prize in the hurdle race. So this shows that the sentence containing one subject and one finite verb is a simple sentence. Now coming to the next type of sentence, which is compound sentence. Compound sentence are two simple sentences. Compound sentences are two simple sentences which are joined together with coordinating conjunction like but, and, or, so. So these sentences are joined together with conjunctions and led to the formation of compound sentences. When two simple sentences are joined together with a conjunction, coordinating conjunction, then they are compound sentence. Let us take an example. The way was long and the night was dark. Here we see that the way was long is a simple sentence, रास्ता बहुत लंबा था. And the second simple sentence is the night was dark, और रात बहुत अंधकार में थी. बट अगर हम इनको जोड़ देते हैं The way was long and the night was dark. रास्ता बहुत लंबा था और रात भी घनी थी या अंधकार में थी. Now coming to the third type of sentence, which is complex sentences. These sentences are made up of one main principal clause, one main clause or principal clause, and the other is subordinate clause or more subordinate clauses can be there. Like if we take an example, for example, I do not know what he does. मुझे नहीं पता कि वो क्या करता है. तो ये क्या है, एक तरह से complex sentence. Because I do not know is a principal clause which has its complete meaning. But here what he does is a clause that depends on the another sentence or clause or a group of words to give a appropriate meaning. I do not know, मुझे नहीं पता, ये तो आपका complete sentence है, complete एक group of words है जो meaning दे रहा है, जिसे हम main clause या principal clause कह सकते हैं. But आपका जो दूसरा sentence part of clause है, that is subordinate clause, what he does is a group of words or a clause that depends on another to complete its meaning. So I do not know is principal clause and what he does is subordinate clause, and when they are conjoined together frame the complex sentence like this. I do not know what he does. मैं नहीं जानता कि वो क्या कर रहा है.